Hello everyone, hope you're having a awesome and a wonderful day. On this video I want to share with you is a common question that I get asked a lot is, do you need a huge following for you to become successful in this amazing business model that I'm doing now? And on this video I wanted to share with you the proof that I personally don't have that much following online, and I've also generated significant amount of income just on the second account, right? So you can see that I personally don't have that much following, and I'm at the same time I'm getting results, right? So if you are new on my channel, highly recommend you to subscribe below this video, and that way it will tell YouTube that I'm doing a great job doing this amazing video for you guys, right? So, and if you're a complete beginner, you want to earn income online, right? You might have tried so many other different things, you're still not seeing that results. Watch till the end, as I will be breaking down every aspect of like what you need to be doing on a daily basis for you to start getting results on the particular business model that I'm doing, right? So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel, right? As you can see, I haven't got much subscribers, right? I've only got 51 subscribers, and if you see the video that I've put out on my channel so far is 98 videos, which is not a lot. If I go by most popular, I started this channel about 2 months ago, right? And I continuously upload videos, right? And if you see most of the views that I got from this, like the most popular video is only got 98 views. What does that mean? Like 98 views, right? So 98 people have watched this particular video, right? So, and this is our real people, right? Views is not some sort of bots. Views on YouTube means real people coming to your channel and watching that particular video, right? So you can see how much eyeballs I'm getting on every single videos, right? 98, 89, 73, and this is all organic views, right? And I'm getting traction. Slowly I'm starting to get traction on my channel, and just within the last 2 months I've only got 51 subscribers. But if you look, I'm not worried about the subscriber count, right? Most people, they actually get worried when they start uploading videos and they don't have much movements on their channel. So I personally, I don't have any issues with my subscriber count. All I'm doing is putting out valuable content for the people to watch, and that way they start to interact with my content, and they pretty much just want to see what I'm putting out there. So I'm trying to help people to whatever things they're actually doing, right? I want to help them and sharing my results, like what I'm actually doing, so they can take that knowledge and implement, right? And they get more value out of my content. Sometimes they reach out to me, right? So that's how I'm putting out content, and that's how I'm getting interaction from the people, right? And the people, I'm not chasing after the people, right? Those people are coming to me because they see the value in what I'm sharing with them, right? So you can see 11 views, 2 views, 7 views, 28 views, right? And the main purpose I'm showing you this because people need to see this, like how people actually get started, right? And I'm just getting started on my second account, and I'm following the same path that I'm going to be sharing with you, right? So this is my YouTube channel. You can see I only got 51 subscribers, right? But if I go to my TikTok account as well, right? So this is my TikTok account. I've only got 35 followers, right? Which is not a lot. I know there's people out there who have a lot of subscribers, right? Probably a million and a half, 5-10 million followers on their TikTok account, right? But you see, I only got 35 followers on TikTok, right? Which is not a huge deal, because look at the views on these videos, right? 200 views, 214 views, 219 views. So every video that I upload on this platform, 200, 300, sometimes even 1,000 people watch my video. And out of those people, only even maybe 20-25 people reach out to me. That's like this is all valuable content. I'm getting free organic traffic through these platforms, right? So you can see every single video I'm putting is only giving me 250 views, which might not sound a lot, but to me it's a lot, because I can see only 400 people have watched it, right? And out of those 400 people, only even 10% reach out to me. There's like 40 people. That's still like good revenue for me, right? Out of those people, right? So you can see how quickly you can start to grow, right? And at the moment, I'm not worried about the followers, right? I'm only worried about how can I get my message out there to the public, right? So that's what I'm trying to achieve, and that's the way it's actually moving now. I know these numbers will increase over time as I start to put out more content on the internet, right? So that's my TikTok account. And if you go to my Facebook, I've only got 984 friends, right? But some of these friends are actually, I haven't even spoken to them in a long time, right? So, and some of these friends, every month what I do, I scrape my YouTube channel, my Facebook account, and whoever friends are not actually interacting with me, all I do, I'm just removing them from my channels, from my Facebook account, so that way I can get more eyeballs on these particular videos, right? On these particular things, right? And I'm creating one video and then I'm uploading in all the platforms, right? So this is all organic views that I'm getting. And you see, I'm putting out this style of content here because this is called Facebook Reels, right? So this actually pushes out to a lot of people, and that's how people reach out to me, right? So I'm not, like I said, I don't have to go and chase people to bring them to the business, right? These people are actually coming to you, to me, because I'm putting out valuable content, right? So you can see with those three platforms, I haven't got much of my much followings, right? It's like very low. But what I'm doing on a daily basis, I'm putting out valuable content, and when people see value in what you're sharing with them, that's how people come to you and they get interested in whatever you're actually doing, right? So, and just wanted to give a disclaimer, right? This income results that I'm going to be sharing with you is my personal results. This is just a FTC claim disclaimer that this is all about all my hard work, and whatever things that I'm showing is from my own work ethics. But it doesn't mean like I'm gonna be sharing with you these results and you're gonna get the same results, right? You might not get any results, right? But you might also at the same time get more results than me, maybe double, triple, quadruple, right? It all totally depends on your work ethics and how much time can you actually devote to this. At the moment, I'm putting about 30 minutes to 1 hour every single day to this business model, and it's growing rapidly. I'm starting to get recurring income month after month. So you'll see my income. And also I wanted to tell you that this is not a get rich quick thing. It takes time to build a business. So I just wanted to put the message out there, because I know there's a lot of people who say about some sort of business model that you're going to be doing, you're gonna get rich overnight, right? It's nothing like this with this. But the system and everything that I showed you, that's the exact thing that I'm doing to get success, right? So I'm sharing valuable content and people are actually reaching out to me, right? So, and this is my results. Look at this, guys. $3,860. Look at this. $3,860, right? This is my email account. So this is my account. This is my second account, and we didn't start this in May, right? So in actually about 20th, about 15th of April, I started this account, but I've got another account, right? And you'll see all this income is growing rapidly, right? $800, $820, $800, $280, $200, $100, right? So you can see it's very consistent, and income start to keep coming into your bank account, right? This is a work that I've done once, and I'm starting to get paid month after month, right? It's only getting better, right? With all the free methods that I'm using, right? I'm not using any paid method. You can do paid methods, but at the moment I'm just doing free methods, right? Which I really, really enjoy. So I'll also show you the back end. But if you're also watching this video and if you want to know what this actual program out there is, what am I promoting in here, right? So what you're gonna do is click on this button here, right? And then you're going to enter your details. So very quickly I'll enter my details so you can get access to this as well, right? I want to show you the back end, what it actually looks like, so what you actually gonna get once you start this amazing business model. So, and this business model is pretty much, you get started for very, very little cost, right? You don't have to spend a lot of money to become successful in this business model, right? You can start for very, very little cost, which I'll tell you. And pretty much imagine you spend this amount of money and you double or triple or even quadruple, right? So this is the exact system that I'm promoting now, the 25 business model, guys. So what you're gonna do is watch this video. It's gonna share with you everything about this business model, and then you're gonna click on this button, right? Once you click on this button, it will go to the checkout, and that's when you're gonna do the checkout for you to start earning that recurring commission month after month, right? So you're gonna enter all your details. Also, the company gives you free bonus, 100% free bonus, right? So I highly recommend you to check out the system, right? And click this button here and you just go ahead and do the checkout, right? Once you do the checkout, you're going to get all your logins inside your email. So make sure you put your correct email address, and that way you can also connect with me and I'll be there to help support you, guide you every single step of the way, right? So amazing business model. I haven't got this amount of quick results like this anyway. I have invested a lot of money into different programs, different mentors, but nothing came so close to this because it's a simple business model, right? Anyone out there who wants to earn recurring income month after month, just like real estate, but with very low cost, right? Check this out and I'll be there to help support you, guide you every single step of the way, right? So you're gonna be rest assured that you're going to get exact help from me, from the company, and also you're going to get help from my personal mentor as well, right? So you're gonna get help from all these different places. And I just wanted to show you the back end, like the training that we also get access to. You can see here all this training, all these free methods will be actually given to you. We got TikTok strategy, YouTube strategy. We got, look at this, guys, free Facebook ad method, right? This is a free Facebook ad method, which is a gold mine, right? People getting 100 of leads every single day just by following this specific strategy, right? I'm not using this strategy, right? You can, because I'm doing all the other things, but I'll be going and doing this thing here because I know this is not out there. Not many people actually know about this specific strategy, the free Facebook ad method, which is like really, really good. And once I start using this and other methods, I'm just going to be blowing my income like what I actually did on my first account, right? So you can see all this training here. You're going to get access to all the bonus, all the support from me, from the company. We also have 11 mastermind calls every single week, so you get access to all that, right? So I hope I gave you enough information for you to make a decision, and I cannot wait for you to take action, and I cannot wait to also be helping you, right, every single step of the way, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and may God bless you all. Bye bye.